Good morning, guys. Welcome to King FX Trading Mastery. If today is your first time you will stumbling on our channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button and make sure you click the bell icon so you can receive notification on any video we upload. All right. So this is a midweek forex analysis based on the King strategy. Okay, so if you don't know about the King strategy, make sure you search on our channel. We have a bunch of videos concerning this strategy, so you can learn a lot on this strategy and be profitable. The analysis we dropped from the beginning of this week, a lot of them are played out. A lot of them are played out. So this is the reason why we are dropping this middle of midweek analysis, so it can help a whole lot of you guys who are using this strategy to make money. So this strategy is going to focus more on the pairs that we need to look out for between now and Friday. Okay, between now today 24 February 24 and Friday February 26. So let's get started. We are starting with AUD Swiss franc. AUD Swiss franc has been ranging and not move. AUD pairs have been ranging and not moving up pretty well. Okay, so we still see, we predicted that this is going to go up in our analysis. In our previous analysis, which is the beginning of this week, we predicted that AUD is going to push up. So AUD Swiss franc is still pushing up, and it still have some potential, some ability to push up to this level. So this will give us some opportunity to trade in between the gap. All right. So on AUD Swiss franc, price is still expected to pull up to 0.7251. So on AUD Swiss franc, we want to look for a buy. Look for a buy on AUD Swiss franc. The pair is currently pulling back, so let's wait for it to pull back. Then catch your buy entry, or you trade the continuation based on the stochastic cross. So look for buy on AUD Swiss franc, AUD JPY. We also predicted that this is going to pull up, and now it's pulling up and it's breaking a resistance, heading towards the next resistance. So on AUD JPY, this is also good for a buy. So you want to wait for price to pull back, or you trade the continuation, wait for it to pull back and take your buy trade, or you trade the continuation on this. So in the last 2 days, AUD JPY has been ranging in this direction. It has been ranging in this direction. Okay. So, but now the resistance has been broken and it's on its way up. So this is expected to pull up to 84.67. AUD JPY is expected to pull up to 84.67. So look for a buy on AUD JPY, but wait for the pullback, or you trade the continuation. The next one is AUD USD. AUD USD, we saw last week that this resistance has been broken. Okay, so this gave us the assurance that this is going to the next level. So on AUD USD, the journey is still far, so this is still expected to rise up to 0.8057. So on AUD USD, you want to look for a buy. Okay, price is currently ranging in this direction, so it may pull back a little bit. So let it pull back, then take your buy entry to the upside. Look for a buy on AUD card, on AUD USD, AUD card. This is presently sitting at a resistance, but we are optimistic this is going to get this place broken. Okay, because price is currently sitting at a resistance, and On daily, this has been broken already, so this is expected to pull up, but it is currently on a pullback phase. So let's wait for it to pull back, probably to the trend line or to the 120 moving average, then catch your buy entry to the upside. Okay, so AUD card, look for a buy. The next one I want to look at is card Swiss franc. Card Swiss franc was projected to get to 0.781. Okay, at the beginning of this week, we projected that card Swiss franc will rise up to 0.7181, and you can see this is the weekly candle, and it has even gotten to that level. It has even gotten to that level and even break it. So with this, we expect this this pair to pull up to somewhere here. So it still has a long way to go since the previous resistance has been broken. So card Swiss franc is still on its way to the upside. So we want to look for some buy. So card Swiss franc, look for a buy. Look for a buy. Either you wait for the pullback or you trade the continuation. Look for a buy on card Swiss franc. Card Swiss franc, look for a buy. The next one I'll be talking about is card JPY. Card JPY still has a little bit opportunity to pull up a little bit. So we projected at the beginning of this week that card JPY is going to come up to 84.53, and now you can see we projected that it should come to 84.23, and now it's already there. So we still see it pulling up a little bit because of the momentum in the market. So card JPY is seen to rise up to 84.65. 84.65. So let's look for some buy on card JPY. Okay, still has a good way to the upside. So look for a pullback on card JPY, then look for a buy entry, buy on card JPY, buy. The next one I'll be looking at is Euro AUD. Euro AUD, this is currently sitting at a significant support level. As you can see right here, it's currently sitting at a significant support level. So we're expecting this may get broken, so anything can happen in between. So let's wait. And daily candle is telling us that this is probably going to reverse, but we'll wait and see what happens. So this is good. It's still good for a sell. So when you see some kind of sell, when the cross happen, you can take the trade and make sure you exit the market before 1.5324. Okay, once the cross happen to the downside, take the entry and exit the market before 1.5312 rather. Okay, so Euro AUD is still good for a sell. Euro AUD is still good for a sell. The next one is Euro JPY. Euro JPY, you can see the weekly candle is still pushing up. So this is our projection, 129.18. So this is still going up. Euro JPY is still going up. So we look for some pullback on Euro JPY to catch your buy entry. Okay, so it's expected to pull up to 129.18. So it still has a long way to the upside. Euro JPY, look for a buy. The next one I'll be looking at is Euro NZD. Euro NZD, its support has been broken right here. So we expect this to come down to 1.6294. So we saw that this was going to get broken during the analysis we made before the start of the week. We saw that this was going to break this level, and now it has broken it. So it's heading down to 1.6294. So Euro NZD, we want to look for a buy. Sorry, a sell rather, look for a sell on Euro NZD. So wait for that pullback between now and tomorrow morning. Okay, just wait for the pullback, then catch your sell trade. Euro NZD sell, Euro NZD sell. The next one I'll be looking at is Euro Swiss Franc. Swiss Franc, we projected that this was supposed to get to this level at the beginning of the week. We projected that it should get to 1.0908, and now it has gotten to 1.0908 and even far above. It's currently sitting at a resistance right now, but based on the momentum and the weakness of Swiss franc, we expect this will also get broken. Okay, so anything can happen in between. So on Euro Swiss franc, we can still catch a buy entry. So let's wait for that significant pullback on Euro Swiss franc, then you catch your buy entry. So once you catch your buy entry, take your first profit before 1.1045. Okay, once this level get broken, we look for more buy. Once this level get broken, we look for more buy. So look for a buy on Euro Swiss franc, all right, and take your profit before this resistance. The next one I'll be looking at is Euro GBP. Euro GBP, a significant support has been broken. Okay, since last week it has been broken, so we are expecting this to pull down. We're expecting this to pull down to somewhere here. Okay, so it's currently sitting at a support right here. This is another support right here where price is currently sitting at, but on daily we can see price is also respecting that area. So we may want to be careful with Euro GBP. So on Euro GBP, we want to also look for a sell, okay, because the pair is still on sell bias. Okay, so look for a sell, wait for that proper pullback, look for a sell right here, and make sure you take your profit before this level. Take your profit before 0.8564. Okay, Euro GBP, look for a sell. Euro GBP, look for a sell. The next one I'll be looking at is GBP JPY. GBP JPY, as a resistance has been broken, so the next resistance is the target. So this is expected to rise up to 153.06 Euro JPY, because JPY is also getting weak right now, so this is still expected to pull up to 153.06 Euro JPY. So resistance has been broken, so we wait for a proper pullback on Euro JPY. Let's wait for the pullback, then catch your buy entry to the upside. Euro JPY buy, Euro JPY, look for a buy. The next one I'll be looking at is GBP USD. GBP USD, this is currently sitting at a supply zone, so we may see some kind of fall right here. We may see some kind of fall, so but we want to be careful with this pair as well. So we may catch some trade, we may see some trade opportunity in between when it happens. Okay, so we want to still buy bias anyway, so you look for a buy and take your profit before this level. Take your profit before 1.4239 GU, look for a buy. Take your profit before 1.4239 GU, look for a buy. The next one I'll be looking at is GCHF, GBP Swiss franc. Okay, this is at a resistance, and on daily resistance has been broken, so we expect this to pull up some more as Swiss franc is weak. We still expect it to pull up some more, so it still has a very long way to the upside. So GBP Swiss franc, look for a buy. Look for a buy on GBP Swiss franc. GBP Swiss franc, look for a buy. G card, price direction is right not uncertain around this level, so we'll have to ignore this pair. The next one I'll be looking at is NZD USD. NZD USD is currently sitting at a very good resistance, but this is still expected to pull up to 0.7540 because of the momentum. Okay, and NZD is currently strong, so it's expected to pull up to 0.7542. So on NZD USD, we look for a buy. So you wait for that pullback to happen. Okay, wait for the pullback to happen, or you trade the continuation, you buy. Trade the continuation, you buy. Okay, this still has a very long way to the upside. Look for a buy on NZD USD. Nzd Jpy is also at a very good resistance area, so we want to be careful with this as well, but we expect this to get broken, okay, because of the momentum with NZD pair. So you wait, let's wait for a pullback on Nzd Jpy and we look for a buy. Let's look for a buy on Nzd Jpy. The next one I'll be looking at is NZD card. Okay, resistance. Price is currently sitting at a resistance, but we expect this also to get broken because of the momentum on the pair right now. So we expect this to get broken. As you can see, it has already broken on daily candle, so we expect it to keep pushing up some more. Still expect to keep pushing up some more. So you wait for that pullback, or probably to the 120 moving average. Okay, then catch your buy entry. NZD card buy, NZD Swiss franc. This is a good one. We projected before the beginning of this week that this is going to get to a 0.6661, and now it has gotten there and even broken the level as well. Okay, so you can see a lot of the pairs we projected have played out as expected. Okay, so this is still expected to continue rising to 0.6813. NZD Swiss franc, let's look for a buy. So it still has a long way to the upside. NZD Swiss franc, let's look for a buy. The pullback is happening already, so let's look for a buy, or you trade the continuation whenever it happens. I hope this is clear, guys. NZD Swiss franc, look for a buy. Next one I'll be talking about is USD Jpy. So USD Jpy has revisited a resistance, and I think it's going to revisit it again. So we are still expecting it to rise up to 106.18. USD Jpy is still expected to rise up to 106.18. So you wait for the pullback. You may see minor pullback or continuation right here. Okay, so look for a buy on USD Jpy and take your profits before 106.18. USD Jpy, look for a buy. USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc, we still expect this to pull up very well. USD Swiss franc is still expected to pull up very well because resistance has been broken, so it's still expected to pull up very well. So let's look for a buy on USD Swiss franc. All right, USD Swiss franc, look for a buy. USD Swiss franc, look for a buy. So the last one I'll be talking about is USD. Okay, let's leave it at USD Swiss franc. Okay, I think we are done with that. USD card is not so clear. So guys, we have a lot of good trade to look out for between now and Friday, 26th. All right. So on the AUD Swiss franc, look for a buy. AUD JPY, look for a buy. AUD USD, look for a buy. AUD CAD, look for a buy. CAD Swiss franc, look for a buy. CAD JPY, look for a buy. Euro AUD, look for a buy. Euro JPY, look for a buy. Euro NZD, look for a sell. Euro Swiss franc, look for a buy. Euro JPY, look for a sell. GBP JPY, look for a buy. GU, look for a buy. GCHF, look for a buy. GCAD, we didn't mark this one, so you want to stay away from GCAD. Okay, NZD USD, look for a buy. NZD JPY, buy. NZD CAD, buy. NZD Swiss franc, buy. USD JPY, look for a buy. USD Swiss franc, look for a buy. So guys, this is what I have for you guys today. So the strong pair we have among this analysis is that we have AUD is still going to go strong more. NZD is still going to go strong. GBP is still going to go strong. So these are the three pairs we projected that they are going to go strong at the beginning of this week, and all of them has done exactly what we projected. All right. So the weak pairs that you should be looking out for is Swiss franc and JPY. Between now and Friday, we expect Swiss franc and JPY to weak. So you want to trade all other pairs against Swiss franc and JPY. All right. So the strong pair is AUD, NZD, and GBP. The weak pair is Swiss franc and JPY. All right. So guys, this is all I have for you guys today. See you guys at the end of the week. So happy trading and God bless you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and make sure you share our page with your family and friends. Let them also come and enjoy this benefit. When you know how to trade this very well, you trade it properly, you can bank in more than 5% profit every day with this strategy. Okay, this is working for everybody. So you want to take your time, learn it properly, and follow the analysis. It's going to help you. Thank you so much for having me. See more of you on the group. Bye bye for now, and God bless.